Hi, I'm in Banff in the Rockies in Canada. I arrived a couple of days ago and I've just been relaxing for a few days and doing my laundry. But today is the day where I'm getting out and hitting some of the gorgeous hiking trails in the area. So the first one I'm starting with is Bow Falls, which is probably about a 20-minute walk out of Banff itself. So the crowd seem to have dispersed. It's a Saturday, it's midday. I woke up this morning, they said it was minus 19 outside. When I left they said minus 8. Doesn't actually feel quite that cold. But it's a beautiful day at the moment, so I'm hoping it's going to stay like that and we get some gorgeous views of the falls. This is the Bow River. So I'm now down by the river. I actually wished I'd gone, I came along Banff Avenue, but I wish I'd gone a little bit further down. There was a pedestrian bridge rather than a road bridge. But it's lovely, silent, literally not far from the town at all. The river is ever so slightly flowing. But yeah, the Bow Falls Trail is 0.2 kilometres. I've just passed a sign, and the Bow River Trail is 0.4. So both really short little hikes. Just try and keep myself upright and looking forward to it. So fresh, so beautiful to be out here. Back where I enjoy. Some people, you can't see them because there's no one there now, of course, I'm pointing them out, walking along there. I think that's the trail to Surprise Corner, which I'm thinking of doing later, but for now I headed up the stairs. The hazardous stairs. More of a slope than a stairs now. Made it. Yeah, they say that there's a recreational trail, so they don't actually clear the stairs in the winter, but I've got some good grippy I've got some good grippy walking shoes on, so they seem to be okay. Fingers crossed I can get back down again. I can hear the river down there. And I can concur that that was pretty hazardous. I'm glad there's no one around, because I didn't look very elegant coming down, because what goes up must come down. So yeah, fingers crossed the falls are worth it. So I've got some more stairs coming up in a minute. So this is Bow Falls. And these are stairs I'm not going to go down. It's a good enough view for me. So before I put my GoPro away and focus on staying upright and in control on the way back, one last look at Bow Falls. How beautiful is that? And then up behind here, that's the Banff Springs Hotel. Fabulous views. Apparently the best views of the hotel are from Surprise Corner over there. So I just turned off the trail along the river. I saw a sign for Banff Springs Hotel, so I thought I'd go for a walk there. It's 0.8 kilometres is what the sign said, although the whole way along the sign said 0.2 kilometres to Bow Falls. Morning. So I'm actually not sure how much I trust the signs, but I thought I might see if I can circumvent those hazardous stairs by going a slightly different way. So we'll see what we find. If you're enjoying this video and would like to see more of my antics around Canada and many other countries in the world, then please give me a thumbs up for the video, or press the red button to subscribe, or the bell to get a notification every Friday when I post a new travel video on Sue Where Why What. Thanks a lot for joining me. So behind me here is the Banff Springs Hotel. It's actually beautiful, looks like a castle. So I'm going to go in and investigate, use the toilet, and probably get a drink of some description, and have a bit of a nosy around. Great location though, look at this. Those views. So I made it to the Banff Springs Hotel. I'm in the bundle bar. There's amazing views, although I'm not sure you'll be able to see them. I'll take you out onto the terrace later. I came with the intention of getting a coffee, and then I ordered a dirty Martini. By accident. Cheers. That's lovely. So I've had my Martini. And now I come out. I've been watching this mountain the entire time. What amazing views out here from the terrace. Like I say, I'm in Rundle's Bar. And the views are just stunning. Look at that. I'll give them to you without my head in the way in a sec. And I guess even better when you frame it properly. So I'm basically back to where I started. Behind me is the road bridge that I came across earlier to go to Bow Falls. But this time I've decided to go over to Surprise Corner because I thought while I was kind of around the Banff Springs, might as well do the whole lot. So I'm going to go over the footbridge up here. Hi. And then I think it's up to Surprise Corner where it's really good. You have a fantastic view of the hotel, which as we now know is in an amazing setting. So that's why I'm going to Surprise Corner. You can carry on from there to go to a place called the Hoodoos, and I'll see how I go. Probably won't do that today, but I might do that another day while I'm in Banff. But the footbridge is just coming up. So now that's a slightly better over the river bridge experience, isn't it? There's another one further down, so what I'd say, if you're crossing over the Bow River, take the footbridge. Oh, look at this. See the river flowing there now. Follow the Rainbow Road. So those signs I don't trust. More saying to ice. Surprise Corner, 1.2 kilometres. I'll be the judge of that.
It made like a huff. It startled me, so
Thank you. Whoa, look at this. Well, that was an unexpected treat. Wow. Ooh. Train's coming. So there's a woman back there walking with a frame along this path. Certainly puts my teetering around in my walking boots to shame. It's a little icy, but nowhere near as treacherous as the Bow Falls trek. And I have to say that I came back from the hotel on the road, which was saved me embarrassing myself up and down those stairs again. And although the stairs are cleared, it's not quite such a pretty walk. Unless, of course, you check out the view. The question is this Surprise Corner? Or is there a bigger surprise around the corner? I see a sign, I think I might have to go and investigate. But they weren't kidding when they said that was an amazing view of that hotel. Wow. You can see the terrace I was on too. No, I jumped the gun on the surprise. There's cars in front and it says 0.1 kilometres to Surprise Corner. So, oh, hello. Wow, hello. Now that's a surprise. Surprise guest. Oh. And there's more. I'm in everyone's photos, but these guys dropped in on me. What can I do? Oh, you're all beautiful. Bye. Love you. Wow. So here we have the mountain, the Fairmont, and these beautiful creatures. Doesn't get more surprising than that. Wow, what a special moment. So officially, this is the surprise corner viewpoint. Not sure if it will hold quite as many surprises as the non-surprise corner. Wow. Ooh. It's a stunning view though, minus the guest appearances. So I'm heading back down now, but if you've enjoyed this video and all the special guest appearances that I clearly arranged especially for you, and if you haven't, I'd like to see what more you need from me. Please give me a thumbs up or press the red button to subscribe or the bell to get a notification every Friday when I post a new video on Sue Where Why What. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'm going to see if the deer are still there. Only just. And as I'm coming down the stairs, I see these guys staring at me. Endless joyous surprises.